you want to learn English like a pro, thrive in conversations, and understand every word that's spoken or written, then stay tuned. Today, we're diving into the depths of English language learning, guided by the wisdom of Japanese teachers who've mastered the art. Their unique perspective and proven strategies offer a fresh approach to mastering English. We've distilled their advice into practical tips you can apply right away. We guarantee you these tips are going to elevate your English language skills to the next level. Mastering grammar is the foundation of any language. Let's delve into the insightful advice from Japanese teachers. Japanese educators suggest that understanding sentence structure is a crucial starting point. English is a subject-verb-object language, which means the subject generally comes before the verb and the object. For instance, Tom eats an apple. Tom is the subject, eats is the verb, and apple is the object. One of the most recommended resources is the internet. Websites like Grammarly or Duolingo can be a great help. They provide grammar exercises that are interactive, engaging, and best of all, free. However, the ultimate trick to mastering grammar, or any part of a language, is regular practice. Write, speak, read, and listen to English every day. Make it a part of your daily routine. Remember, consistency is the key. Practice daily, and you will see improvement in no time. Having a rich vocabulary can make your conversations more interesting and effective. Let's see what our Japanese teachers suggest. Just like a painter who needs a palette full of vibrant colors, a person learning English needs a rich vocabulary to express thoughts and ideas vividly. To build this, reading is your best friend. Dive into diverse genres of books, articles, blogs, and even song lyrics. The more you read, the more words you'll encounter and understand in context. Flashcards, too, can be a fun and effective tool. Jot down new words, their meanings, and example sentences. Review them regularly, and you'll find these words naturally blending into your conversations before you know it. Also, don't shy away from synonyms and antonyms. They not only add variety to your language, but also deepen your understanding of words. For example, knowing happy is the antonym of sad and a synonym for joyful helps you grasp the nuances of these words. A robust vocabulary will not only improve your communication, but also your comprehension skills. Pronunciation might seem tough, but with the right techniques, you can master it. Let's hear it from the pros. One of the most effective ways to perfect your pronunciation is by mimicking native speakers. Listen to their speech patterns, the rhythm, intonation, and stress on particular words. It's like learning a musical instrument, where you listen and then try to reproduce the same sound. Another powerful tool at your disposal is pronunciation guides. These can be found in dictionaries and language learning apps. They provide phonetic transcriptions that give you a clear idea of how to pronounce a word. Don't be shy about using them. They are there to help you, and let's not forget about practicing tongue twisters. They are not just fun, they are also a great way to improve your pronunciation and speed. Start slow, then gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. With these tips in your arsenal, you are on your way to sounding like a native English speaker. Phew, that was a lot of information, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We started with grammar tips, reminding you to focus on the basics and build from there. Then we moved on to vocabulary enhancement, exploring the importance of context and regular practice. And lastly, we tackled pronunciation, emphasizing the role of listening and repetition. Remember, learning is a journey. Enjoy the process, and you will see results in no time. Until next time, keep practicing and stay tuned for more language learning tips.